Want to make spam patterns like this? Or like this? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Now let's get our ass to work. First, boot up your FL Studio, of course. Then put the project's tempo to the max. Afterwards, you want to click on Options, then Project General Settings. Then you can set the time base to 960 and set the time division to 4 beats per bar and 8 steps per beat. Then, you want to make a spam pattern. Let me cook, chat, trust. After you're done with the pattern, press Alt plus W. You will open the chopper tool. Then, apply these settings.
Oh, I want to fill something here since there's too much silence, so yeah.
You'll end up with something like this. Then you can make some little funny patterns. Yeah, that's pretty much. You could also make the pattern with the time disc being all the way at the right. Okay, this is actually the end.